Good evening, folks. Bob at 2 Ounce Breaks. It is Saturday, the 16th of July. We are breaking Bombox full-size helmets. Bombox jerseys plus. We randomed up our 8 remaining boxes. Box number 30 is what we got. We did random team sales on your right. We have already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody, gave them a chance to trade. But getting late and nobody's trading, so here we go. Pop of your seal. Well, gonna be the Miami spot, guys. With the Ricky Williams Weed jersey there. Tell you the truth, I completely forgot that was in there. But going to be Miami. Bam. Also going to be the Colorado spot. I do believe there, guys, with the Alex Newhook jersey. To believe that's Calgary, Colorado spot. Chicago MLB gonna get the freebie on that. I gotta grab some more bags. I thought I didn't grab enough, but I guess not. Good jerseys. Alright, bam. So that is going to be the Alex Newhook JSA certification on this. And this one, guys, like I said, I don't know about that one though. But going to be an avalanche hit on that. Was hoping Pat would get that. And guys, too, she does have the fighting strap and stuff on it. Bam. Well, Vincent. Vince steps in the room. Gonna take the Newhook there, guys. Vincent's had traditionally fairly good luck in these jersey series and such. Well, Vincent, again, stepped into the room, got himself a nice hit off of fillers there. And then we've got the Ricky Williams Weed jersey there, guys. It's actually sort of a heavy quality jersey there, folks. Yeah, it's really not a bad quality jersey at all. But going to the Miami spot there. All right, who is Miami? Well, Brian's first hit of the night. Brian finally taking another hit there. He did all right for himself last night. Hadn't hit much tonight, but gonna take Ricky Williams. Shit, I felt that too big. It's actually a huge jersey. I think that's why they had it folded the way they did. I tried to fix it without folding the numbers, but I think that's why they did that. It's a giant jersey. These are extra large bags, and it still didn't fit. You have no problem. Thank you. Well, guys, we hit our ding. All right, and then Chicago MLB was our freebie spot. Who got that? Leo. All right, so Leo's going to take the freebie. All right, so Ricky goes to Brian. All right, Alex goes to Ben. And then Leo's going to get the free spot. That's going to wrap up that one, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, about a 2 props breaks. You all have a wonderful night.